With how that could impact us, we go to Storm Team 6 meteorologist Todd Clausen.
You know, we're actually going to warm our temperatures up, bring some snow into the area, and then we're going to cool our temperatures right back down next week. And Ashley will have that roller coaster ride in the 7-day forecast in just a second. As you look to the north from downtown Indianapolis, skies are clear right now this morning. No issues weather-related, at least from precipitation falling from the sky today. Obviously, this is a weather-related issue with a minus 4-degree temperature officially at the airport. The winds are calm, and that is key, and that is a difference from yesterday morning compared to this morning, as wind chill values are not quite as low. But we go from cold to snow throughout the course of the next few days. It's another frigid morning, but temperatures warm as the snow moves in, and that's going to result in some mixing in the forecast tomorrow. This is not going to be an all-snow event for everybody. Let's take to the roadways here this morning. Bloomington, look at your temperature, all the way down to minus 11 degrees right now. It's minus 8 in Terre Haute. Lafayette, you're sitting at minus 4 degrees as we come in and around the metro area. Fisher's minus 10, minus 9 in Castleton. This is a frigid morning, and we're running, again, colder than we were yesterday as far as actual temperatures go. Minus 11, the current reading in Greenwood. And as you look at the wind chill values, you really don't figure in any wind chill from Indianapolis to the south. That's the good news. To the north, though, we do figure in a wind chill of minus 18 right now in Peru and minus 13 currently in Muncie. And we're going to go over to the forecasted wind chill values throughout the course of the morning. And you notice the numbers improving, still below zero throughout mid-morning, but once we get into the afternoon hours, the wind chill values actually get above the 0-degree mark. And at this point, the wind chill advisory will have expired. That's set to expire at 11 o'clock here this morning. So it's a frigid start. As the clouds come in, we're up to 11 degrees by the noon hour. 18 degrees will be our 5 p.m. temperature. I don't think our high of 20 occurs until very late tonight. So clear skies right now, courtesy of this area of high pressure that's still fairly close, but that high is going to continue to slide off to the east. We'll turn the wind southerly, and that's what's going to bring the temperature up, but it's also going to allow the clouds to move in. So that'll be the trend throughout the day today, although we will remain dry, and with the exception of maybe a flurry out there throughout the evening hours, your evening commute should be just fine. But here comes the leading edge of the snow at midnight, and actually that snow will arrive throughout the overnight hours. It's going to make for a pretty messy Saturday here all across the area.
Yeah, we are expecting a messy day on Saturday and a few flurries on Sunday. So accumulating snow in the forecast for you this weekend. Let's start with those winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. Indianapolis, Muncie, Lafayette, all under a winter weather advisory. If you're further south, from Bloomington into Seymour into Columbus, you are dealing with a winter storm warning that is out for you throughout the day tomorrow. So as we divide those up, you can see Kokomo, Muncie, Indianapolis into Speedway all under that winter weather advisory, expecting more snow and more in the way of a wintry mix, I think, to the south of Interstate 70, and that's why that winter storm warning out for that area. So here it is. Let's plan it out hour by hour. You have plans tomorrow. You need to pay attention to this because this is very important. All right, so 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, getting in some scattered snow showers over the area. Pretty heavy accumulations already starting to fall from Bloomington into Seymour at this point. This looks like snow that's coming down at a pretty good clip. At around 4:30 tomorrow morning, we're still seeing widespread snow. That rain-snow line has shifted further to the south, bringing us more in the way of snow with colder air, and that wintry mix just south of Seymour. That area will see more mixing, of course, but some mixing sliding a little bit to the north. At 9 a.m., we're still seeing snow coming down at a pretty good rate. This puts quite a bit on the ground at this point. At around the noon hour, this system starting to rise to the north, that rain-snow mix line, bringing a bit of a wintry mix to Indianapolis as we hit our high temperature at around 3 p.m. We change back to snow as this system pulls out of the area by about 7 p.m., leaving behind a few flurries out there. So we still deal with a little snow even as this system exits the area. Here's how we plan out your day. 28 degrees to start you out at 8 a.m. 32 is your high temperature with snow throughout the day. As far as snowfall potential, it's overnight into tomorrow. I think by about 2 a.m. we have about 2 inches on the ground. By about 7 a.m. we have 4 inches on the ground. This is a widespread 2 to 5 inches. It's going to depend on how much mixing you see on your snowfall accumulation. If you get in on more of a rain-snow mix, it lowers your accumulation with this system. But overall, we're just going to talk 2 to 5 inches. Yes, the snowman meter shows you'll need a shovel for Saturday night when you're trying to dig out from this event. Now, on Monday, that Arctic air settles in. High temperatures drop to 9 degrees. Here's a look at that 7-day planning forecast when temperatures are very, very cold, not only for you today, but as you get into the latter half of the weekend, temperatures turn cold once again.